Hello friend, in this video we will learn the importance of modified command. The modified command is used to modify the dimension and also to identify why the weak dimensions or the extra dimensions are showing in the sketch. Suppose I have this one sketch, I am editing this sketch. Suppose I have created this one sketch. Now I want to identify why these weak dimensions are showing. I don't want these weak dimensions. These are the extra dimensions are showing. So how we can identify directly? So here you can see that this one is the modified command to modify the value. Okay, here you can see that this one is, suppose I want to modify this dimension, all dimensions. Select the modified command, select the dimension. Now you can select the multiple also. Select this one, select this one. Like this you can modify here. Like this you can modify. Suppose these dimensions, I am not identifying why the dimensions are this dimension is coming. So here click on the dimension and click on the modify. So here you can see that the movement of the section. So now here you identified that this section is not, if you can increase the sensitivity also, this section is not symmetric about this center line. So here make it symmetric, this point and center line. Now this dimension is removed from here and this one. Suppose you want this dimension, why this dimension is showing, go to modify and modify the dimension, select this one. This one is also not symmetric, so make it symmetric, this point and center line. Now you can see here I want this dimension, so this is not at the center. So for that select the coincide constraint, center point and this point. So now also this dimension is, the upper one dimension is removed. Now here you can see that the constraint is not applied here. So apply the symmetric constraint here about the horizontal. Now in this way you can identify why the weak dimensions are showing. Now here this one is a fully dimension and constraint geometry. So in this way you can use the modify command. This one is very important, and we must use the modify command, because in a sketch we require the sketch fully dimension and constraint. For that purpose the modified command is very important. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and for new video notification hit the bell icon.